Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my friend. We are group 8 and in this video we will answer the question given from our group about ar architecture in Islamic studies. First introduce the members of our group, namely myself Koshiko Salafi Rizki and my friend Ahmad Nailal Kirom and Sarfina Ramadhani. Enjoy for watching. Bye bye.
The question from group 1 is: how did the early history of mosques, minarets become a symbol of Islamic architecture? Minarets originated as functional structures for the call to prayer but evolved into prominent architectural symbols. They embody the Islamic civilization's identity, spiritual reach, and serve as a cultural hallmark, much like towers in churches or communication towers in modern architecture. The question from group 2: what is the significance of mosques as Islamic architectural designs? Mosques are central to Islamic architecture as they are space for communal worship and revelation. However, Islamic architecture should go beyond mosque, designed to encompass all structures that support a life aligned with Islamic values, including homes, markets, and schools. Next, the question from group 3: in the context of the Twin Towers integration model, how can architecture serve a meeting tower between science, technology, and Islamic values? The Twin Towers model symbolizes the integration of religious and scientific knowledge. Architecture under this model connects Islam through technology, tasawwuf, with modern science through asserts intellectual structure, emphasizing that all knowledge ultimately serves human and divine purposes.
Question group 4. Analyze how the verses of the Quran can be a source of inspiration in creating architecture that is not only aesthetic but also full of spiritual meaning. And the answer: Quranic verses like Surah As-Saff verse 4 inspire structural strength and unity. The use of space, light, and geometry inspired by the Quran foster spiritual reflection. For instance, the architecture of the Tsunami Museum use light and Quranic inscription to express human divine connection and remembrance of that or Ablu Minallah. And next question group 5. Why is it important for Muslim architects to consider Islamic values in their visions? And answer: considering Islamic values ensures that architecture aligns with Tawhid, Sharia, and moral ethic. It supports the creation of space that promote worship, reflection, and ethical living. It distinguishes between Islamic architecture as a culture product and Islamic architectural values that reflect deeper religious principles. And next question group 6. Question 1. What are the main design elements that help identify Islamic architecture and how do they reflect Islamic cultural or religious values? And answer question number 1. Islamic architecture is identified by elements such as minarets, domes, mihrabs, fountains, geometric forms, and calligraphy. These elements reflect unity or tawhid, order, and the spiritual values of Islam. They are not just aesthetic but serve symbolic purposes indicating devotion, discipline, and spiritual unity. And question number 2, group 6. Explain the role of Quranic verses and hadith in shaping the concept in Islamic architectural art. Answer question number 2. Quranic verses and hadith are foundational in shaping Islamic architecture by embedding moral and metaphysical principles. And for example, Surah As-Saff verse 4 describes believers as a strong, unified building, symbolizing the importance of structure and organization. Hadith emphasizes passion and support among believers, comparable to architectural integrity.
Group 7. Integration is achieved by merging Islamic epistemology with contemporary net embedding values, sustainability, community well-being, a spirituality into this thing. Modern method must respect Islamic concept with its simplicity, humility, and civilities, creating a synthesis rather than a compromise. Group 9. Muslim architects are encouraged to integrate Quranic and Hadith-based values, not just symbolism, into the planning and purpose of buildings. This includes considering spiritual atmosphere, aesthetical as of resources, and social function, avoiding superficial as meant building the basic in Islamic values like humility, sustainability, and collection benefit. Group 10. Yes, Islamic architecture emphasizes sustainability, al-istihlaf, non-wastifulness, Al-Isra 27, and harmony with nature, Al-Quran Surah Al-An'am 141, Al-Quran Surah Qaf 9-11. Promotive grand architecture rooted in different stewardship of the earth, making it inherently responsive to environmental challenges. Thank you for your attention for group 8. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.